Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with just a little bit of a haul video. I ordered some stuff from Ipsy/Boxycharm from their shop. They were having a sale and I hadn't ordered anything from the shop for a while when it was Boxycharm, the drop shop. I used to order stuff all the time and I hadn't ordered anything in a while, and I saw some cute things that I wanted to try, so I got my package today and we're gonna open it up and see what I got. Okay, so I got a bunch of little travel size things that I thought were cute and some things that I wanted to try out. So we'll just start with the little cute things. This is the Winky Lux Under Eye Concealer. This is in the color medium deep, and it's just a little sample size, which I thought was cute. I want to try some new concealers and whatnot, and I thought this was so cute. You can travel with this. This is wonderful. I've never tried Winky Lux face products, only their eyeshadows, and I think they also make those little tiny pill lipsticks and lip glosses. Excuse me, but I wanted to try this, so I got this cute little concealer. This is a mini of Tea Time by Row, New York. This is an apple matcha tea toner. This is a toner. You have to shake it up. Cute little toner. I love a good toner. I use it every night with my skincare. I have to use a toner after I cleanse, put on a toner, and then press it in, and then do my other skincare. But we will see how this one is. I wonder if it smells like matcha. Let's see. I don't think it smells like matcha, because I know what matcha green tea smells like. It doesn't smell like matcha. It says apple. Maybe that's what it is that I smell. Not really. Doesn't smell like apple. It smells like something I would get from Bath and Body Works. So it doesn't smell like apple, and it definitely doesn't smell like matcha, but we'll try it as a toner. And this again is a travel size, so this would be great for travel. So once it's done, if I needed to take some toner with me, this would be great to put in my bag. This Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I love Innisfree, which is a K-beauty brand, and I love a hyaluronic acid as a person who is more mature. I'm 56, more mature skin. You need hyaluronic acid to help keep that moisture in, and I use a hyaluronic acid or a niacinamide every time I do my nighttime skincare. So this was really, really cute to have. Again, great for traveling. So if I run, oh, it smells good. If I run out or whatnot, if I run out, I can continue to use this and refill it and take it with me in my bag. But that is a hyaluronic acid serum. The Ole Hendrickson Truth Serum with True C Complex and aloe vera extract. This is for brightening. I like Ole Hendrickson as well. And this again is another little sample. This is so cute, and it's in a pump. I wonder if it smells like vitamin C or orange citrus. Oh yeah, it does. It smells citrusy. So this is really cute as well. I love that it's a little pump. Then I picked up these two things from KVD. I have the KVD Lock-It Powder. I love that powder. And I have tried the concealer before. I got a sample of it from Sephora, but they didn't give me enough to really, I had like maybe 2 or 3 applications. So they had this one on sale, and hopefully in a color that I can use. This one is in tan. So we will see how it works. Trying to open this. I'm going to open it from the bottom because the top is sealed. And this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It looks like it has a squeezy tube, but it's not a squeezy tube on top. This I can mix with my other concealer. So yeah, I can use this, or I can also mix it with my foundation drops. It does have a little bit of perfume smell to it. I like the little doe foot, a little slant. It looks like a little ballerina slipper. It's like a little foot. Yeah, it's light, but I can mix it with some of my darker foundations, some of my darker concealers that I have. So we will see how it spreads pretty well. It dries down because it's already drying down. So that little tiny bit will cover quite a bit there. See, it's really light, but it mixes in really well to the skin. It is kind of sitting in my little, you can see it's sitting in there like that. So it's a little bit more drying than, you know, like my e.l.f. or whatnot, but I can mix it with that. We'll see how it works mixed, but I picked that up. And then I got in medium the Good Apple foundation, which I had heard so many people love, and I never got it. So it was marked down, and I went ahead and picked it up. And I love this little packaging. It's so pretty. It's plastic, but it's fine. But I think that's so pretty. And I'm gonna open her up, and that's what she looks like. And I can mix this too, because I like having a lighter and a darker foundation that I can mix. And I can mix this. I'm not gonna put my finger in it yet, but that's really pretty. And I've heard you only need a little bit of this, and it has great coverage. So we're gonna try it. I might put these in my project pan for the month of August, which will be in the next couple of weeks. August will be here. So I might put these in there for that. I don't really need to put, I might take these and mix them together. Let's open this one and see how it is. See what color it is. Oh, let's see, that one's darker because this one is medium deep. So if I mix those two together, gosh, you only need a little bit of this. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. That's a lot. So those two mixed together would probably work. Let me get a wipe off my hand here. But yeah, those two would probably mix together really well because you only need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. But yeah, so those will go in my project pan, and then I'll have these in my skincare. I am going to do a skincare collection. I don't see a lot of people do. They do their eyeshadows, they do their, you know, bronzers, blushes, things like that. I haven't really seen anybody do a skincare collection, and I do have some things in my skincare. I have a lot, but I do kind of work through them pretty well. But I think I will do that. So look for that coming soon. But this is my little haul that I got from Ipsy, and I'm excited to try these out. Let me know if you have tried them and your thoughts. I thank you all for being here. Thanks for coming and hanging out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.